step into the moment, show up for yourself today. Find what feels good, and let's release some stress together. Here we go. Hop, 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 hop. Take your arms out, out. Hello everyone, and welcome to your Stress Buster. I'm Misty, this is my assistant Chad, and we are excited you're here. Let's get started. Stepping side to side, nice and slow. That's it. No experience necessary here. We just need you to be here now for a little stress release, a little letting go of tension, and a little coming back to oneself. So we're just stepping lightly here, side to side, a little bit of movement, a little bit of breath, some yoga together. All right. Now we're going to start to swing the arms a little side to side. Think of your arms like noodle arms here, letting go of any stress or tension, things that have been bothering you, weighing on you. Let it go. All right, now we're going to ground and quiet down. So bring the feet wide, bring the hands to the waistline. Take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Good. Inhale in through your nose and out through your mouth. Now keep breathing as we begin to move the hips in a circle from right to front to left and back. Moving side, front, side, back, side, front, side, back, and then reverse it. Good. Reverse it one more time. And last time, reverse it. Then come back to center. Turn your toes out wide. Inhale, send the fingertips up towards the sky. Exhale, bend the knees, deep plie here. Keep the arms up for now. Inhale, extend, star pose. Exhale, bend the knees, deep squat. Inhale, extend. This time, exhale, release the arms as you bend. Inhale to reach up, straighten the legs. Exhale, bend the knees, arms come down with your breath. Inhale. Exhale, bend. Inhale, reach. Exhale, bend. One more time. Inhale, reach. Exhale, bend, stay low. Bring your palms together. Press them together really firmly. Feel the strength in your low body. Feel the lightness in your upper body. Find your breath. Maybe sink a little lower. Get a little lower. Then inhale, extend the arms out. Straighten the legs, star pose. Take up space. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Exhale, press the palms down just halfway so your hands and wrists are in line with your shoulders. Arm circles forward and back. Reverse it. And forward and back. Now keep it going. This time, bend your knees, forward arm circles, knees bent. And back. Forward, spine is straight, nice and tall. And back. Last time, you got this. Don't give up. Arm circles forward. Let them get a little bit bigger here. And back. Star pose, straighten everything. Exhale, hands to heart. Really nice. We're gonna toe heel, toe heel, toe heel the feet in so they're hip width apart. Beautiful. Inhale, reach for the sky all the way up.
Exhale, forward fold. Bring it all the way down. Bend the knees, ground through the feet. Inhale, reach it all the way up. Good. Exhale, float it all the way down. Inhale, reach all the way up. You got this. Exhale, forward fold all the way down. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, hands to heart. Step the feet wide once again. This time moving into a warrior two. Turn the right toes out, turn the left toes in. Moving into warrior two with arms long, front knee bent, sink low. Good, breathe in here, lengthen through the crown of your head. On your exhale, close the barn door by bringing the left palm over to the right. Good, inhale to open. Stay bent in the front knee, exhale to close. Inhale to open. Exhale to close. Bring a little attitude to it. Inhale to open, expand. Exhale to close. Inhale to open, stay here. Turn the right toes in. Arm circles forward. And back. And forward. And back. Warrior two, second side. Turn the left toes out, turn the right toes in. Find your alignment. Stay strong in the arms. I know they're getting tired. Inhale in, exhale, bend that front knee. Inhale in, exhale, relax your shoulders. Close the barn door, right palm to left palm. Inhale, open. Exhale, close. Inhale, open. Exhale, close. Keep it going. Last time, inhale, open, exhale, close. Inhale, open, star pose. Take up space. Breathe in, breathe out. Finally, the hands come back together, palms press firmly together. Lift your chest and breathe. Slow down your breath here. Feel your feet on the ground. Letting any tension and stress, inviting it to wash away, move out. Inhale in here, exhale, toe, heel, the feet back underneath you, hip width apart or together. We're gonna come into a chair pose here, so bend your knees, send your hips back as if you were sitting into a chair and reach the fingertips forward. Then we'll lift the right heel here and then switch to the left. Switch right. You got it. Switch left. Sink a little lower. Switch right. Switch left. One more time. Switch right. Switch left. Now both heels lift. Find your focus out in front. Press the fingertips behind you. Reach back like airplane arms here. Balancing on the toes if you like. Sink a little lower. Then drop the heels. Inhale. Reach for the sky. Big full body stretch. Inhale in, exhale, rain it down, forward fold. And here is where we'll really take a second to just let it all go. Shake the head a little yes. Shake the head no. And again, shake the head yes. And shake the head no. Ragdoll, bend your knees generously, bend your knees a lot. Feel your belly towards the tops of your thighs and slowly roll up to standing. Take your time, stacking through the spine, feeling your heart lift and coming into your best and most beautiful mountain pose here. Feel all four corners of your feet on the earth. Feel your head over your heart over your pelvis. One last time, inhale, reach for the sky. Reach beyond the fingertips, full body stretch. And then exhale, bring the palms together and let them slowly float back to your heart here, pressing the palms together with intention. Close your eyes or soften your gaze here. We'll take one final stress-busting breath here. Inhale in through the nose. And exhale out through the mouth.
All right, everyone. Great job. Thanks so much for joining me. Share this video with a friend, and I'll see you next time.